Hey everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Sabiha's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be preparing scrumptious bread chicken balls. So let's get started. We want shredded chicken for this recipe. What I'm going to do is I'll boil the chicken first and then we'll shred the chicken pieces using fork. Here I have taken 300 grams chicken breasts. In goes 3 to 4 stems of fresh coriander leaves, half onion roughly chopped, 2 green chilies and a bay leaf. 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, salt as per taste, and crushed black pepper. And I have taken 2 glasses of water to boil the chicken. See, you can boil chicken by adding salt and pepper only. Since I don't like boiled chicken, so I have added all these ingredients to make my chicken more flavorful. Now close the lid and let it cook on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes till it's completely done. In between, keep checking. If you want to remove the fat layer which is floating over the top, you may remove it by using spoon. Now I'm gonna flip it. Keep checking by inserting knife whether it has cooked completely or not. Once it's almost done, increase the flame to high and let all the water dry up. Now no need to cover the lid, just let it cook as it is. Now see, most of the water has evaporated. Our chicken has been cooked completely and water has also dried up, so now switch off the flame and transfer the chicken breasts into a plate. And discard all these ingredients. It has cooled down. Now let's shred by using fork. Or you may use your hands to do the same. It's ready to go in oil. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Now in goes the shredded chicken. Cook it on high heat for 1 minute till it changes its color slightly. Now add capsicum, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon oregano leaves and very little salt, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce or you may add pizza sauce. Stir it well. Cook it for another 1 minute on low flame. Now in goes cheese. Here I am adding sliced cheese. You may take mozzarella cheese. It's up to you. I have added 2 sliced cheese and half cup mayo. Now combine everything very well and keep the flame low. Our stuffing is ready. We don't have to overcook it. Just mix it and remove from fire. Now comes the stuffing part. So here I have taken white bread slices and I have cut the edges. It's up to you if you want to cut the edges or not. Now dip the slices into water and press it with your hands to remove excess water. Now stuff it with mixture and join all the edges and make a ball. From this much stuffing we can make 8 to 10 balls. But today I'm gonna be making just 4 balls. That is why I have taken 4 slices only. Rest I'll save for later use. Similarly, prepare rest of the balls. Our balls are ready. Now I'm going to dip them in breadcrumbs. If you want to see the method to prepare breadcrumbs, go through my video. The link is in the I button above. Dip each ball in breadcrumbs and coat it well using your hands. And yes, use your dry hands. And keep it aside. Similarly, dip the rest of the balls. If you have some time, you may keep these balls in freezer for 10 minutes so that it becomes firm. Now heat oil and fry them on medium flame. Make sure you flip the balls to ensure even browning all over. Fry them until they are golden and crisp. It's done. Now let's remove from oil. Guys, they taste exceptionally delicious. I'm sure you'll love the recipe. Do try. Thank you for watching my video.